Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video. In today's video, I'm talking about YouTube and how to make money and how to grow subscribers, get more views, and what I've done to implement more subscribers, more views, etc. And the number one thing or tactic you should be doing on your YouTube channel to get more views, to get more subscribers, ultimately get more traffic and more money. The only way to do that is to create more videos. I notice when I don't make videos for 2-3 weeks, my subscribers start coming in, my views start going down. You know, you go to 2,000 views every other day to 1,500 to 1,000. And while I start cranking out videos, doing 2 a day and posting those, I get more views, I get more subscribers, I get more watch time, everything goes up. So YouTube is an everyday thing. You have to make a video every day. And, you know, this notion that if you have a channel, you got to stick to one topic. If you're doing fitness, you're going to do fitness. If you do videos about cars, you're going to do cars. If you have a channel about cooking, you're going to do cooking. That, you know, I don't believe that should be the case. If you're doing your own YouTube channel, you should do things that interest you. Just because I'm not a cook doesn't mean I'm a master fisherman. I could do both channels to do different playlists. 'Cause after a while you do YouTube videos, you start to lose like what can I do next? You know, if you're doing reviews on TVs, there's only a certain amount of TVs you can do. And then once you're at I call it a writer's block or the video block, you just stop making videos because you have no content. And my thing is produce content. Whatever you're into, just do that. Make a playlist of doing that. If you play video games, do a playlist of video games. If you know how to fix cars, do a playlist on how to fix cars. If you know how to fish, do a playlist on fishing. Don't do multiple channels because I don't see the benefit of doing multiple channels. I like just have one big channel. There are benefits of having different channels. You can just have certain types of groups. But if you're like an everyday person who works 40 hours a week, who work 40 hours a week, you got a family, you got bills to pay, you don't have time to do all the videos. You're going to do videos when you can. You don't do videos on the weekend or after work or during work or whatever. So I don't have time to manage 3 channels on 3 different topics. I don't have time to do that. I do all of it on one channel, and the channel is growing. You know, I do stuff that matters. People like to make extra money. People like my reviews and tutorials on the Fire Stick. People are tired of paying for cable, so I'm providing, you know, information and content, how to cut the cord, how to make more money, how to get more views on YouTube. Anything I do or I learn, I put on YouTube. And that's what I've been doing. So I've done videos on juicing, dieting, make money online products, YouTube, Fire Sticks, my bowling. I do bowling videos all on one channel. It's my personal channel, my personal brand. It's my personal channel. Anything I do, my free time, I do and put on YouTube. And that's just the way it is. Video game clips, I put on YouTube. Why not? Why have a channel on gaming where I can just put it all on one channel? Now, it does make sense. Sometimes you want 3 different channels. You want a channel for gaming, a channel for that. If you got 1,000 videos on gaming, 1,000 videos on car mechanics, yeah, you have 2 different channels. But I don't have 1,000 videos on bowling or 1,000 videos on this. I create content and keep creating content. And that's a problem that other people have, that they get information overload. They don't know what to do, and they don't do anything. You know, that's the crazy part. They don't know what to do. They don't do anything. They just stop. They oh man, should I have 2 channels, 3 channels? I don't know what to do. And they don't do anything. So that's my thing. I would just create content. Do a video a day. Do 2 videos a day. No matter what it is. You have to start. Once I started doing videos, I didn't stop. I didn't care if I had 3 channels, 10 channels, 1 channel. I just create videos. Create a video, put it on YouTube. Upload to YouTube. You do it right from your smartphone. I do this every day at work during my lunch break. Just create a video talking about my keto diet or how make money online on YouTube. That's how you make money on YouTube. That's how you increase traffic, views. No software is going to do it. You have to keep creating content. A video a day. 7 videos a week. That's 30 videos in a month. That's 365 videos a year on your channel. And I try to do 2 videos a day. I try to do 3 videos a day. I try to do 10 videos a week. As much as I can. The more content you put out, the more money you make, the more views you get, the more subscribers you get. Everything's green. Everything's going up. The more you do, the more production you do, the better it is. That's why I like this YouTube online thing, because the more work I put in it, the more I get out of it. Ain't like having a job. You know, you do a job 40 hours, you put your heart and soul in it, you'll make the same amount of money for 40 hours. And then you work overtime, you only get paid for hours. You don't get paid for how much you do. You know, with the online business, if I do 10 videos a day, I see the benefit of doing 10 videos versus if I did this one. And that's why I like the online thing. If I do 10 blog posts, I'll get way more traffic than I did 1 blog post. That's why I do online space. You know, the more work you put in, the more you get out of it. Unless a job, you on salary, you're screwed. I'm on salary, I'm screwed. And you work hourly, you don't get paid for 40 hours. And on how hard you work, you can work 20 hours a day, you don't get paid for 40. And when you go over 40, overtime, you only make time and a half plus your regular pay or double time. Yeah, you get extra money, but if you work super hard half the day, you get paid the same amount. So with the YouTube thing, I'm on a rant. On a YouTube thing, just keep creating content, creating videos. Don't stop. Just don't stop. Don't matter what it is. Don't. In the beginning, I was kind of shy. I was kind of, you know, I'm not showing my face, but I had to get over that. I gotta get over it. Yeah, you gotta get over it. Just do it. Nervous, afraid, just get over it. Because nobody's gonna shoot the videos for you. Nobody's gonna do it for you. You gotta do it. So just get over it. And the more you do the videos, the better you get. The more you do the videos and keep doing it, the more comfortable you become. And the better you get out of it. These are changing things up. So this is my video for the day on how to make money, or how to increase your YouTube channel views. The number 1 way of doing it is create more content. Or number 2 could be to share your content. Post your videos on YouTube. Post on your blog if you have one. That's a big help. Post on social media. Post on Google+, Facebook, Twitter. Every time you create a video, post it everywhere. And I'm starting doing that now. Like when I upload a video to YouTube, I try to share all over social media, and I try to put it on my blog and get as much exposure as I can for that one video. You can imagine you post it 5 places, how much traffic you get, how many views you get. So that's just 2 tips. Keep creating content and post your video on social media. And all that is free. I'm creating this video now for my phone for free. I'm going to upload to YouTube for free. I'm upload to Facebook and Google Plus for free. And you do this every day. Take you 30 minutes to do it. And you can share all your videos on YouTube from your phone. So you can do this at work. You can do this in the bathroom. You can do this while you're eating. You can do this before you go to sleep. You know, you don't have to be in the front of the desktop all the time. I can do this right on my cell phone. Shit, all my social media accounts right on my cell phone. And that's a good thing. I like that. So this is Ty for AskKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. Sorry I went on a rant. Just subscribe to my channel and see you next time.